Bonjour à tous, je m'appelle Monsieur Pierre et aujourd'hui on va apprendre comment saluer en français. Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Pierre and today we are going to learn how to greet in French. Voilà, nous avons les salutations ici. We have the salutations here, the greetings in French, how we greet in French. So the first thing here is bonjour. Bonjour. Now, bonjour is so popular. Everyone knows bonjour. And bonjour is the first thing you say to someone you're meeting. So now, bonjour means a few things in French. Firstly, bonjour means good day. It also means hello. And it also means good morning, depending on the context. Alright, so like I said, bonjour is the first thing you say to someone you're greeting. Alright, so now it is pronounced as bonjour. Bonjour. So like I said, it means hello, good day, and good morning. Alright, so now the next one here is salut. 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 Now salut means hi, which is an informal way of greeting someone. It means hi, and it can also mean bye in an informal situation. So I can say salut as hi and also salut as bye. And we have coucou. Coucou also means hello or hi, but in a very informal situation, majorly among friends. Coucou. Très bien. Then the next one now is bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Now, bon après-midi is how we say good afternoon in French. But there's something you need to know. Bon après-midi is rarely said. Alright? So no one really says bon après-midi in today's French. We either say bonjour in the morning and the afternoon, and we say bonsoir in the evening. So bon après-midi is not usually said. So now you can say bonjour in the morning, you can say it in the afternoon, and sometimes you might even say it at night because it means hello, like I said. So I can say hello any time of the day. So I can see you in the morning and say bonjour, I can see you in the afternoon and say bonjour, I can see you in the night and say bonjour. But if you want to be more precise, you can just go for bonsoir. So now bon après-midi is just trying to show you how to say good afternoon if you really want to be precise about saying good afternoon. So bonsoir is what we use in the evening. Alright, the next one here is called bonne journée. Bonne journée. Now bonne journée, for example, we just had a chat speaking and I'm about to leave and the day is still very young. You can as well say bonne journée. So bonne journée means have a good day. Alright? Have a good day. And it's pronounced as bonne journée. Bonne journée. Now that's how to say have a good day. Alright? Then we also have bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Now bonne soirée is greeting someone to have a nice evening. Now for example, you went out with someone for a dinner, let's say by 7 p.m. and you're done with your food at 8 p.m. So now the night is still young. You might still have some activities you want to do at night. So bonne soirée is simply telling the person to have a good evening. Good. And we also have au revoir and bonne nuit. Now, au revoir means goodbye. Au revoir means goodbye. So when you're done talking to someone and you're about to take your leave, you can simply say au revoir. Au revoir. Alright? And the last one here is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Now, bonne nuit is said when you're going to bed at night. When you go to bed, you say bonne nuit. So now I'm going to do a recap again, the salutation, like I said. So now this is I'm going to do this for you to follow how I pronounce these salutations in French, alright? So now the first one is bonjour. Bonjour. So like I said, bonjour means hello, good day, and good morning, as the case might be. The next one is salut. Salut. So like I said, salut means hi or bye. Coucou, coucou. Now, coucou means hi or hello, but it's only used among friends. D'accord? Now, the next one is bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. So, like I said earlier, bon après-midi means good afternoon, but it is rarely used in spoken French. So, people prefer to say bonjour in the morning and in the afternoon and say bonsoir at night. Or as well, I can say bonjour at night if I'm trying to say hello to the person I'm speaking to. All right. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Now, bonne journée means have a good day. So now we just had a chat and I'm about to leave and the day is still young. I can wish you bonne journée. You can as well wish me bonne journée. So it is pronounced as bonne journée. Bonne journée. Now the next one is bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Now, bonne soirée, like I said, you probably went for dinner, and at the end of the dinner, the night is still young. Each person could have other activities he or she wants to do. So now, bonne soirée is saying have a good evening. Bonne soirée. Now, au revoir. Au revoir. Now, au revoir means goodbye or until we see again. Alright? Au revoir means goodbye or until we see again. And the last one here is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Now, bonne nuit is what we say at night when we're going to bed. Alright? So I want to believe that you understand the les salutations we did today and it was easy for you to memorize. So I'll see you in the next video. Merci. Merci.